Part 2. Questions 1 of 8. 1. Over 400 people visited our library last month. 2. Staff at the sports center are not available between 3 and 4 p.m. 3. Candidates should select one question only for each topic area. 4. A new student has to be registered with Mr. Clark by the Friday. 5. Provided their equipment have been collected and stored, a student may leave the classroom. 6. What types of company do the majority of IT students go in after finishing their degree? 7. Despite some initial misgiving, the new laureate has proved itself to be an excellent facilitator. 8. Environmentalists agree that the continued use of private vehicles will result in worsening air pollution.